Hi, welcome to Lorne Park, one of Southern Ontario's most prestigious communities. Here at 1073 Lorne Park Road, my brand new listing. I just live just down the street from this house and I absolutely love this neighborhood. We're just a few minutes down to the waterfront trail in Lake Ontario, 10 minutes to Clarkson Go and Port Credit. And I've got a beautiful 4-bedroom detached house, 4-bath. And there's very unique things about this house. I got 2 principal bedrooms. I have one on the main floor with an ensuite and one upstairs with an ensuite. It's perfect if you have an in-law suite, if you have some in-laws living with you, if you want a nanny to live with you and have a separate area. Absolutely endless possibilities. Original owners, meticulously maintained, and someone is going to be lucky to live in this house. Welcome to 1073 Lorne Park Road. The living and dining room feature hardwood floors, bay window, and a great spot to host dinner parties. The family room features a gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and walkout to deck and private yard. The main floor principal bedroom is a rare opportunity with a 4-piece ensuite, double closet, California shutters, and perfect for a nanny or in-law suite, extended family, or anyone with mobility issues, a rare find. Main floor laundry is conveniently located with extra storage, garage access, and separate side entry. The second floor principal bedroom has a walk-in closet, hardwood floors, and 4-piece ensuite. The third and fourth bedroom feature large windows and double closets. The backyard has a large private deck and grassed area to entertain or play sports with the kids. Thanks for coming on the tour here today at 1073 Lorne Park Road. Fantastic neighborhood and a wonderful house. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, please reach out to me. Follow me on social at #HomeJamesRemax. And have yourself a beautiful day.